everyone, this is Eva from Qingdao Ejoy. Today we come to the project site. Our new project is nearing completion. There are 8 broiler houses. Each house can breed 40,000 birds. Let's see some details. There are 3 types, 4 rows. One row is 71 sets, total 284 sets. The manual harvest cage is equipped with air tunnel. The unit size is 1.25 meters long. The width is 0.9 meters. The height is 0.45 meters. First, I will introduce the automatic feeding system. The feeder is delivered from silo to gantry feed hopper. Both sides can be fed at the same time. The feeding trough material is PVC. It's more anti-rust. It's also equipped with an orbit for convenient harvesting. Second is the drinking system, excluding drinking square pipe, drinking cup, and a stainless steel nipple. It can be adjusted according to the chicken age. Third part is the manual cleaning system. The manure will be delivered to the end of house, and then it will be delivered to the outside by vertical clean house. If you have interest, please feel free to contact us.